Welcome to the Ubuntu Desktop Tour, your guided walkthrough of one of the most user-friendly Linux interfaces. Whether you're completely new to Ubuntu or just making the switch from Windows or macOS, this video will help you feel right at home. Let's begin with the top bar, your control center, where you'll find system indicators like network, battery, audio, notifications, and the clock. On the far right, the system menu gives you quick access to settings, shutdown options, and user controls. Next, take a look at the dock on the left-hand side. This is where your favorite apps live. You can launch apps from here, pin new ones, or remove the ones you don't use. Open apps will also appear here with a small dot indicator. At the bottom of the dock, you'll find the Show Applications icon. Click it to access all installed apps in a grid view similar to the app drawer on Android or Launchpad on macOS. Now let's open the Activities overview by clicking Activities in the top left, or just moving your mouse to that corner. This powerful multitasking hub lets you see open windows, switch between them, access virtual desktops called workspaces, and search your system, including files, apps, and settings, just by typing. The file manager in Ubuntu is clean and straightforward. It's your go-to place to access personal files, folders, USB drives, and network locations. Whether you're organizing downloads or browsing through photos, it's all very intuitive. Finally, let's explore the Settings application. From here, you can connect to Wi-Fi, change the wallpaper, adjust your privacy preferences, set up printers, manage users, and much more. Ubuntu also includes a built-in software store called the Ubuntu Software Center, where you can easily browse and install applications with just a click. No terminal commands needed. Ubuntu's desktop environment, powered by GNOME, is designed for simplicity and efficiency. It supports keyboard shortcuts, touch gestures, and is ideal for daily tasks, work, and learning. Thanks for joining us on this desktop tour. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. For an in-depth breakdown and screenshots, check out our full blog post. The link is in the description.